Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new attachment for our TYM T264 and for us to use on the channel. It is a Landplane for us to regrade our half-mile gravel road. This Landplane is from Catawba Attachments. So let's take a closer look at the Landplane and show you guys what it's set up for. This Landplane is set up with these blades that are angled at a 16-degree angle. It's angled like that because it gives it it has more of a cutting edge, and it'll make the gravel spread out a lot better and give you that nice graded finish. So this Landplane was built locally in North Carolina. It's from Catawba Attachments. As we take a closer look at the Landplane, it has these adjustable ripper shanks. The 16-degree angle, it makes it so where you don't even need to use the ripper shanks, but it's nice to have the ripper shanks just in case you need them. So if you guys are in the market as looking for a Landplane or needing something to regrade your gravel road, I highly recommend you to look up Catawba Attachments and look up their Landplane. So with this Landplane right here, the skids, these are fully replaceable. So if when the skids wear out, these skids are replaceable, and they just unbolt from right here. There's a couple bolts on the side, and then you pull it off and you can replace it when they wear out. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is going to be one of my first times using the Landplane. So I have a lot to learn. So let's bring it to the road and test it out. And if you guys are in the market for a Landplane, I highly recommend you check out Catawba Attachments. They're a good attachment, and yeah, so let's get to the road, test it out, and regrade our gravel road. Alright, so as we have the tractor warming up, I want to show you guys the road and the condition it's in before we get started. And show you guys all the holes and see how bad they are. So all up along this road there's holes and potholes like this. If you guys notice closely in the yard on the side of the road, we're actually having to dodge those holes because when it rains it gets real wet and puddles up and gets real muddy. So yeah, there's just little holes up all along this road. So let's use the Landplane and see how good it works. Alright guys, this is just one pass and I want to show you guys how it's turning out to look. So it's coming along really good. We're going to take multiple passes up and down this long road. And yeah, so let's keep going. options. If you guys are in the market for a Landplane or a box blade or something, check out Catawba Attachments. They build their attachments here locally in North Carolina. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.